Hello and welcome everybody to Race Car Trivia. Today's contestants are Ryan Shields, David Apex, and James Clean Air. And the rules are whoever can get to 100 points at the end of the game first wins. But the loser will not get the prize. Alright, let's start. What is 98 plus 4? Is it 102? That is correct, and you will get 20 points. Okay, next question. If a shark and a whale had a fight, who do you think would win? Are you kidding me? How are we supposed to know that? Okay, different question. What is this guy doing? I don't know. Let the guy think. Who was last year's NHRA Funny Car Champion? I believe it is Matt Hagan. That's correct. You win 20 points. And next question. True or false? Has Bricky98 played Slither.io in one of these videos? I believe so. That is correct, and you win 20 points. And we will be back after the commercial break to see who the tiebreaker will be. Hello, I am Floyd Mulvihill. Have you ever had a headache? Has it been hurting for a long time? Well, you need to buy Gasprin Headache Relief. Proud sponsor of Race Car Trivia. Tank code, what you need for a tank. This episode of Race Car Trivia is also sponsored by Apple. Okay, welcome back to the show. We will see who the tiebreaker will be. This time you'll earn 60 points, and then if you get 60 points, you will automatically win the prize. This is another true or false question. Have I been seen on another game show? True or false? True. I saw you on the race car games. That is correct, and you will win 60 points. Okay, now if James wins this next... If James gets this next one right, I believe, he will win the game. I think I'm supposed to get 80 points or something. No, that's the rules of the game. Okay, last question. Or if James doesn't get this right, this will not be the last question. And this is another true or false question. If you put a banana in liquid nitrogen and it fell to the ground, would it shatter? True or false? True, I guess. That is correct, James Clean Air. You win this episode of Race Car Trivia. Whoa, I never thought I would win on a game show. Well, you did. And thank you for joining this episode of Race Car Trivia. We'll see you in the next episode.